Which term best defines the word dubbed as it is used in paragraph 2 of the passage? A. Nicknamed, B. Baptized, C. Christened, or D. Individualized. Let's begin by locating where we see the word dubbed being used in the second paragraph. We see this in the third sentence, which tells us that USR1's DNA led the researchers to determine that they had found a previously unknown genetic population of Native Americans, which they dubbed ancient Beringians. From the context, we can see that it means they called this Native American population Beringians. And as all of our choices relate to this concept in some way, we can see this must be the case. The question remains of which word could best replace dubbed. Because they are only referring to these people as Beringians, baptized and christened are too literal for this context. Individualized is too vague for our purposes and can be marked off as well. Nicknamed has the perfect connotation that dubbed is implying and can therefore be marked as our final answer.